Hey friends, welcome to Good News. This is your hug. Our shout out is for Christy Davis. Congratulations, Christy. I hope your little people and animals treat you well. Let's get to the good news. Drum roll. There's this guy named John Krasinski. That sounds like Mike Wazowski. Hey, John! He started a Good News Network. Yay, John! Congratulations, my main man. Some kitties and puppies went on a tour of the Georgia Aquarium to see the fishies. Oh, so cute! This is my puppy. We made cookies yesterday! And some flour and some chocolate chips and some sugar and chocolate chip. Put it in a ball and stick it in the oven. When it comes out, you have to eat all of them. People are sewing masks to share with everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've got the hiccup. It's Easter this Sunday. Happy Easter, everybody. Be nice. Choose happy. See you next time.